you guys? It's another edition of Style It with Brandy with me, Brandy. And if you're new to my channel, thanks for tuning in and watching. And if you have not yet subscribe, like, and ring the bell for the latest video uploads. And let's get right into this video. I have been asked numerous of times, how do you get your eyebrows to look the way they look? Well, no expert on it, just practice. But I'm going to share with you guys 4 things that I use to get my eyebrows popping off, and I'll let you guys see that I really don't have that many eyebrows, so they're very sparse. I mean, I have some, but they're very sparsely on my face, and so it makes it difficult to work off of. I've seen some YouTube videos where girls have done it, but they have more eyebrows than I have, so I have to do a little extra in order to get my eyebrows popping. So let's get right into it, okay? And we're gonna start with this. This is just Wet n Wild's primer. And you gotta have something to set your eyebrows in place, just the way you set your makeup in face. So I just use a dab on my eyebrows, because you don't want them moving around. And I've already done my makeup for you guys. So just to get my eyebrows set in place. Second, I had to bring 2 of these. This I found in Walmart. It's called Salon Perfect. And it's in a little pin, like a marker, with prongs, if you can see. And it'll make the hairs when I use it. Now this one is brown. I don't use this one because this is actually too dark. This one, the labeling came off, as you can see. I use this one, it's Taupe. And so this is the one I actually use for my eyebrows. So let's get in so you guys can actually see it. Let's get that in a little bit. And we'll worry about that later. And I'm actually just gonna get so I can see it a little bit better. I'm actually just gonna draw these on. You just want to go along your eyebrow. And so make sure I get it. And then I start my second line a little bit higher, so it gives it a slant. And so that's all I do. So let's get the other one. Let's turn this way so you guys can see. And this just takes practice. In the beginning, it didn't look like too much. And then I just kept practicing. And that's pretty much all I do. Now, if I want them to look like it's actually my hair, I'll go upwards. So I'll show you how I do that. I just take the little pen and go a little slant so it looks like it's actually my eyebrow, or eyebrow hairs. Okay, and that's basically, let's get this one a little bit better. That's pretty much all I do so far. Then take this Prestige eyeliner. You can see it. Let's see. Prestige eyeliner. It's almost gone. It's in E12 brown. I got this online. They used to sell it at Ulta, but you know, when you find something good, somebody always gets rid of it. And I go under my eyebrow. This is just like a make a definition. And that's just to make your eyebrows have a little definition where your brow line is and where your brow line stops. And the fourth product I use is Browless Stylist Design by Loreal. And you get your eyebrow pencil and you actually get a little brush at the end. And I just use this, and this is in Brunette Foncee, which is dark brown, but that's French for that. And I take this and fill in my eyebrows. Basically, that's it. You want to make sure your pencil's a little bit sharp, so I'm going to sharpen my pencil. Okay, I had to sharpen the pencil, so you want to make sure the pencil is as sharpened as you can get. And then all I do is fill them in like I'm coloring. And it's hard to work with when you don't have any eyebrow at all, or if your eyebrows are very sparse, that it doesn't look so overwhelming. And my pencil just broke, so let me resharpen the pencil. Hold on. Okay, ladies, pencil broke, but let's finish this up. And seeing as I have really no eyebrows, or they're so thin, I can actually make mine as thick as I want or thin as I want. But I usually try and stay within the frame of my eyebrow itself to make them look as natural as possible. Not too much, not too less. But it's like an artiste, and I'm just filling them in like you used to do when you were coloring when you were little. Like I said, I don't try to make it look too overpowering, but that's basically all I do. Let's fix this one. And that's basically it, ladies. If you need to touch them up a little, you can, get a makeup wipe. I don't do the concealer or the under, like a lot of people do, go out and redefine them. With the highlighter and everything I have, that's pretty much all I want to do. And I might take this little prong and just go up to make it look like actual hair, because this dries pretty quick. And it's okay if one looks, this one's a little bit bigger than that side, but that's okay if you want to make them super even. But it looks a little more natural when one is not the same as the other, like your actual eyebrow. And that's pretty much it. That's all I do. And as you can see, it looks like my eyebrow. It looks like hairs. And there's no extra. I don't do anything extra to go in, and like I said, this one's a little bit bigger than that one on the top, but hey, it's natural. It looks pretty good. And that's basically all I do. So if I was ready to go through the daytime, this is all I would do. Take my little do-rag off, or a little scarf, and let's see. And so that doesn't look bad. It's a nice daytime look. If I was going out at night, I might put on a little more eyeshadow, but this is basically all I do to get my eyebrows popping like that. So let's get a close-up look so you guys can see. That's basically all I do. 4 items to get your eyebrows looking like a professional. And you did it yourself, okay? So if you're looking for any more tips in beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, please stay tuned to my channel. And again, if you have not yet subscribed, hit that bell so you can get the latest in video uploads and notifications. Leave all your comments and suggestions below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a nice day.